Hi, my name's Abby. I've had DMH come and install my solar and battery for me. So I did have someone knock on the door, come in, this wasn't Dan, give me a 2-hour quote, which was actually twice the price of what Dan has come in with. I've seen other people in the street who've had their installation, so I had a word with those. So it was a strong recommendation around the quality of work that Dan does. He's done everything that I'd want him to do. He gave me dates that were not too far in the future. He stuck to the plan exactly as he'd said. His invoicing was really clear and broken down, so I knew exactly what I was paying for and when it would be done. Both Dan and Jay coming on to my property to do, I just feel like I can trust them 100%. I've been at work, I've given them a key, and I've just never had any doubt about doing that. The battery is a big one for me, especially in the winter, because I've got an electric car and I've also got a hot tub that runs throughout the day. So for me, bringing down the price of electricity so that I've got more money to spend in a disposable monthly basis, it's really clear. I can't see anything. There's been absolutely no impact to my house at all. The battery is really, really small on the side of the house. It's just a really clean, easy job. I'm hoping to cut costs quite quickly. I'd highly recommend DMH. Like I said before, they're just really easy to work with. They're really clear on what they're going to do when they're doing it, what their costings are. They also bring a sense of humour, which was really important to me to build that trust. So I've absolutely loved having them working in my house.